There goes Miley. Hi YouTube, I'm back. I miss doing this. Oh my gosh. I was thinking the other day and I was like, you know, maybe I should get back to YouTube. I keep going through like a phase where it's like I make all these videos, I edit for like days, or like stay up to like really late, upload them, have fun with them, and then I'm just like, oh my god, I have other things to do, I totally forgot. So I think I just have to figure out the balance of like how to do everything. But this felt good. This felt really good making this video, and I'm guessing it's gonna feel pretty good editing this video. So today's video is about how I organize my makeup, my vanity, what it looks like. It's a little, you know, it's a little something something. It's not all that, but you know, a lot of people have DM me and like asked me because they see it on my Instagram stories or my Snapchat, like, oh, where'd you get this, and what is that, where'd you get that? So I figured I'd make a video of like what I have and what I have done with my makeup throughout the years. I totally forgot to talk in the video that I recorded how I clean my desk and my vanity and all that stuff, but I figured I'd do it here. So I got my desk from IKEA. It was like just the board and then like the drawers and the makeup stand over there. You'll see it in the video. But yeah, I got that in IKEA. I want to say I spent less than $270 tops with the chair and everything. And then all the other accessories, you know, that a little bit more. Let's talk about how I clean it, because it's gonna drive me crazy if I'm not talking about it and I'm like, oh, they have to know, because it's hard sometimes to figure out how to get stains or makeup stains out of a white vanity desk. This is what I use. I use the Mrs. Mayer's, I think I'm saying it right, Clean Day. It's like a multi-surface cleanser. I just get a Bounty rub. I also, for hard stains, like really hard stains, like let's say I liquid lipstick or whatever, I'll go grab Mr. Magic sponge. Is that what they're called? Oh no, my mom just has them laying around the house, so I just get them. Those like white sponges that, like, I don't know what they are, but they get rid of every single little thing. I have one of those. And another thing I do is I use makeup wipes. So I use my own makeup wipes over the desk sometimes, because I mean it is designed to remove makeup. So I'll use that to remove like extra makeup or like foundation that might have got there, or like eyeshadow, powder, or something. Oh, Miley just came in. But yeah, but I love the way this smells, and I don't think it's like any harsh chemicals and all that. I just see all my clients like using this at home, and I'm like, oh, I want that. And it smells so good. It's a lemon verbena scent. It removes dirt, refreshing surfaces. Yeah. So another thing I wanted to talk about, I posted it on my Instagram stories and I got a couple of messages like, oh, I want it. So I am doing a giveaway. Yay! The lipstick holder. It holds 72 lipsticks. I got this at IMATS. I got it because I was like, oh my god, this is so cool, I want one of these. But then I ended up getting that lipstick stand that you're about to see, and I figured, okay, maybe I'll just put my lipsticks there. So I figured, I think I spent over $70 on this one, so I figured let's give this beautiful 72 lipstick holder a new home. So I'm gonna make some rules in order for you to enter this giveaway. I will choose on July 26th who is the winner. So you have a little bit over a month to like keep entering. I'm gonna post a picture on my Instagram. Oh god, Miley. And you're gonna have to find that picture, and I'm gonna need you to go like it. I'm gonna need you to go comment, tag 3 friends in the comments, and you must be following me. And that's how you enter. So follow, like, and comment 3 friends, and I will choose on July 26th who the winner is of this pretty vanity. Why do I keep saying vanity? What is a vanity, like, holder, lipstick? Okay, no. What am I saying? Of this beautiful 72 lipstick holder. I will also post under that picture holding the lipstick holders for the giveaway, I will post the rules there too. So if I'm not really being that clear, because right now like my mind is all over the place because I forgot how to do these YouTube video talk through things. But yeah, so thank you so much for watching. I am going to try to make more videos now that I have more time. I was studying for my LSAT, so I didn't really have that much time. Thank you for watching. I hope this, like, you know, is easy for you, the giveaway, or, you know, like inspires you to get a desk or vanity. Again, thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. So there's my desk. That's my ring light. I live in an apartment, so my balcony is right there. But let's get into my desk. I got this at IKEA. I forgot how much it cost me. I want to say like in total, I might have paid less than like $170, because the desk, like that board there, is sold separately, and then this is a separate, like, what do you call this? Drawers. Separate. So it's like a separate drawer set. And then the chair, okay, maybe I spent like $250, but the chair I got at Marshall's. So yeah, took a while to get everything, but I got what I wanted. Oh, and I also have my lipstick stand over there. Oh my gosh, the lighting is horrible. Sorry guys, but I'm trying. So this is what I got from IKEA also. I actually had to take this to Home Depot because this was really long, and I only wanted it to just fit there. So I took it to Home Depot, and thank God the guy sliced that side off. So I was able to just, you know, make it the size I wanted to. I got my lipstick holders, holding all my lipsticks. And let's go back to my desk. Here is like all my not makeup drawers. So there's my jewelry, nail polishes, hair products, and like papers and stuff. Like that's like my whatever drawer. But this is the top of my desk. I have all my brushes here. I have an extra mirror right there. It actually like lights up. I just forgot to connect it. Like you touch it and it lights up, but I forgot to connect it, so there you go. And then here I have all my liquid lipsticks, my lip liners. So here goes the first drawer. Here in this first drawer I have all like my highlighters, bronzers, blushes, concealers, skin powders, foundation powders, anything that's like really a powder I put here. I have my contour powder palette here, except for the concealers that aren't powders. My contour stick. Here is all my foundations. So anything that's a cream contour would be here. My sponges, my beauty blenders, my primers, my liquid highlighters, and then all my foundations are here. And then these containers, so this one is a different one from the top actually. So this, ow, I just hurt myself. That one actually is one of these. I have to wash this one, but I got these all at Home Goods. So they were pretty cheap. I think they were, I want to say they were like $8 to $11 depending on like which one I got. So I think this one was like $11. These are like individual, like set of what, 3? Yeah, so these were $8 each. So it has like 3 holes. And then I put my foundations here, and I just chose like whatever was more convenient of like where to place them. Like this I figured would hold more of the powders, so I was like, alright, let's put the powders there. This, I actually bought this, how much was this? $3.49 from Bed Bath & Beyond. I think I got these originally for like my jewelry, but these ended up fitting there, and I have like a million of these, so I just put them there. So yeah, I got one here. I got the same exact thing, except it's just turned over here. So there it goes. This here is my eyeshadow palette drawer. So all my eyeshadow palettes are here. There's like a whole bunch in there, but this is just like an organization video. I'm not gonna talk about all the stuff I have. And then here is like my eyeshadows, lashes, curlers, mascaras, brow stuff is here, like pigments, glitters, so that's all here. I forgot to talk about these containers holding my eyeshadow palettes. Those I think I got at Michael's like years and years ago, and I used to use them for my jewelry back in the day, but now they fit there. And then this is 1, 2, and this thing is just like one entire thing, so it's 3, and it has a whole bunch of little holes. I figured that would be really good for all like the pigments, shadows, and to separate them. Also got them at Home Goods, I believe. No, Bed Bath & Beyond. The little skinny guys I got at Bed Bath & Beyond. I can't speak today. Bed Bath & Beyond. And then the big guys, that's where I got the ones from Home Goods. Yeah, the big guys, I got them at Home Goods. And I think Marshall's, if they were there. And then here is like my everything drawer. Like the stuff that I still have to try, or like extra skincare that I don't use, or like my makeup wipes. Where is that there? Is all here. Some stuff I do put in my bathroom, but yeah. So that is the small tour of my vanity desk set space. Here I normally would put my tripod there, and then I would be filming from right there. So I hope you guys enjoyed.